ang tradisyon. Dili din ang magsuot og robe sa Santo Papa, dili din ang mubasag encyclical letter, dito lang mumisa sa St. Peter's Basilica. Unsa man, balikan. The Catholic Church teaches that the Apostle Peter was the first pope based on several key points from scripture and tradition. First, usama ng una, biblical foundation. In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 16, verses 18 to 19, Jesus says to Peter, "You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of Hades will not overcome it. I will give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven, and whatever you loose on earth will be loosed in heaven." This passage is interpreted by the church to mean that Jesus appointed Peter as the leader of his disciples and the head of the church. So, katubay basihanan katong musuot og sinina sa Santo Papa, mumisa sa St. Peter's Basilica, og ang muhimo encyclical letter, mo ba na basihanan alpihaba? Unsa naman in taon kadungoy? Oh, next, role of Peter in the early church. The Acts of the Apostles and other New Testament writings show Peter taking a leadership role among the apostles. He presides over important decisions and events such as the selection of replacement for Judas. Yan mo na nasa Acts chapter 1 verses 15 to 26. The preaching at the Pentecost, sumala sa buhat 2, 14 to 41. And the Council of Jerusalem, buhat 15. Oh, unsa pa lain basihanan nga siya ang unang Santo Papa sa Iglesia Katolika? Historical tradition. Sama na. Early Christian writings and traditions also recognize Peter as the first leader of the church. Awa ng mga sulat sa mga church leaders, sa mga church fathers, niyagi magkakatolik faith defender. Wala ka nahibalo sa mga sulat sa mga church fathers? Niya, hamo kumutuoron sa imuha, nga gapataka, lag-interpret sa imong gibasa, o sa mga church fathers na sila yung ebidensya nga actual nakakita. Oh, yun na rin. The Christian writings and traditions also recognize Peter as the first leader of the church. Church fathers like Clement of Rome, Ignatius of Antioch, and Irenaeus of Lyons affirm Peter's primacy. Historical records indicate that Peter traveled to Rome, where he served as the first bishop and was martyred. O ka na, suportado ba na sa kasaysayan? Suportado na. Ang very first bishop of Rome, mao si Apostol Pedro. O ang first bishop of Rome, sunod ni Apostol Pedro, mo si Pope Linos. O, sunod. Kanalang ba? Succession of bishops. Usama na. The Catholic Church believes in apostolic succession, the unbroken transmission of spiritual authority from the apostles through successive popes and bishops. Peter's role as the first bishop of Rome is seen as the beginning of this line of succession. The bishop of Rome, the pope, is considered Peter's successor. O nya, si Pope Linus, si Pope Clement, si Pope Evaristos, si Pope Anacletus, may hindi ka nga din sila Pope, kaya sila kami sa St. Peter's Basilica. Nauna naman yung taon ka eh. Nauna naman yung taon ka eh. Oh. This combination of scriptural interpretation, early Christian writings, and the historical role of Peter forms the basis for the Catholic teaching that Peter was the first Pope. Kana ang imuhang bungkagon. Pamatud-an nimo, alpihaba nga dili si Apostol Pedro ang unang obispo sa Roma, ang pinakauna. Basing yung basahon si Linus. Pero ang sumpay day after Peter. Ano mo?